Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve the too many requests error on your Microsoft account. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser. And once you're here on your home page, I want you to click on the three dots on the top right corner and then choose Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, Third-party cookies, and see all site data and permissions. Click on it. On the search bar, type Outlook, right? Outlook. This will reveal all cache files related to Outlook. So simply delete everything, click on every single one of them, and then delete all of the cache files. Next, I want you to go to extensions over here, click on it. And make sure everything is turned off, or you can simply remove everything just to make sure that Outlook will run smoothly on your browser. And this will fix any issues related to too many requests when you're trying to access your Microsoft account. And that's it. By following all of these steps, you have now successfully ensured that you will no longer deal with this matter. I hope you found this video very helpful.